Alright, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step approach of solving this question. The problem asks us to find the value of 2 raised to the power of 20 minus 20 raised to the power of 2. This calculation involves a large number, so what should we do? We need a clever way to solve this question, to simplify this. So go ahead and get started. I'm going to solve this in 3 steps. Step 1, we are going to simplify the exponent. First one, we have 2 raised to the power of 20. Go ahead, 2 raised to the power of 20. What does it mean? This is base, this is exponent, which means 2 is multiplied by itself 20 times. This is a large number. So I rewrite it in the form of, I write the base 2. 20 can be written as a product of 10 and 2, right? Next, this one can be written in the form of 2 raised to the power of 10. All of these raised to the power of 2. Why? Because of this rule that says a to the power of m times n can be written in the form of a to the power of m, all of these raised to the power of n. Next, what is 2 raised to the power of 10? All you know, it is 10 24. So it is going to be 1024 raised to the power of 2. If you want to know why 2 raised to the power of 10 is 1024, I will show you. 2 raised to the power of 10, which means 2 is multiplied by itself 10 times. Go ahead. 2 times 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 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. 8 times 2, 16. Times 2, 32. Times 2, 64. Times 2, 128. Times 2, 256. Times 2, 512, and finally times 2, 10, 24. So until here, good job. 2 raised to the power of 20 can be written in the form of 1024 raised to the power of 2. And next one, 20 to the power of 2, which means 20 times 20. 2 times 2, 4, 0, 0, 2, 0. So until here, we know 2 raised to the power of 20 is 1024 raised to the power of 2, and 20 raised to the power of 2 is 400. Step 2, we are going to calculate what? This number 1024 to the power of 2. So it is going to be 1024 times 1024. Again, this is a large number. I'm going to break it down to the simple step. How? By using algebraic identity. This one, a plus b raised to the power of 2 is gonna be first term s squared plus twice of the product of the first term and second term plus second term s squared. So 1024 can be written as the sum of 1000 plus 24, right? So 1024 to the power of 2 is 1000 plus 24 to the power of 2. What is this? First term 1000 to the power of 2 plus twice of the product of the first term 1000 times second term 24, and finally 24 to the power of 2. Okay, 1000 to the power of 2 is 1. This is 3 zeros, so we need 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 0. Next, 24 times 1000 is 24,000. 24,000 times 2 is 48,000. And finally, 24 to the power of 2, which means 24 times 24 is gonna be 675. Now we need to add up them. Look, 6 plus 0 is 6. 7 plus 0 is 7. Next, 5 plus 0 is 5. Okay, next, 8 plus 0 is 8. 4 plus 0 is 4. 0 plus 0 is 0. And finally, 1. This is our number. So 1024 to the power of 2 is going to be this number. And step 3, final subtraction. What is this? This number, that is minus this number. What is this? 400. Okay, let's do it. 6 minus 0, 6. 7 minus 0, 7. So until here, 6, 7. 5 minus 4, 1. Next, 8 minus 0, 8. 4 minus 0, 4. 0 minus 0, 4. 0. And lastly, 1 minus 0, 0. And this is our final answer. Have fun.